Hello friends, today in this video I will talk about that money makes the mayor go. It is right, but if you remain busy just earning your money, just extorting money through different ways, through unfair ways, and you ignore the education and other information, I think a little bit information of each and everything is necessary. If you are just earning the money and you are ignoring other things, then other will cheat you. Those who are the intelligent people, they will cheat you. You are not able to defeat them just on the basis of money. And if you will spend money, other will extort money from you, and you are not able to understand that what exact amount of money is required to solve these problems. Such as some people I have seen, they have a lot of wealth, but when they are involved in some kind of cases, some quarrelings, and they go to liars, and liars take a huge amount from them, and then they fight for their rights. Rights may be right or wrong, that is another chapter. But if you know a little bit about each and everything, then you are able to do the things according to your mentality. Otherwise, if you leave everything on others, then others will cheat you, and they will extort money from you, and you are not able to understand the depth of the case. And there are so many suits, civil suits, criminal suits happening in underdeveloped countries. So to resolve the issues, I think that if by luck you are getting a lot of wealth, then you should pay attention towards getting the education, or make able your children to get the education. I have seen some parents, those are wealthy, those are rich, they totally ignore the education of their children. They don't send their children towards schools. Instead of sending children towards schools, they make their children, give them a little bit job in their factories, where they are technically trained, but educationally they are weak. If you don't know how to read and write, then you don't know the calculation, then I think that a little bit education is necessary up to 10th standard. If you don't want to get education, it is necessary to get the education up to 10th level. After that, it depends on you that whether you want to continue your studies or not. But basic education is necessary, because when you will do business, you will have to calculate the things, and for that education is necessary. Otherwise you will fail in calculation. And sometimes when your business is at high level, then other delegations would come to meet you, and if you are not able to discuss with them, then I think that this impression will not be good on others. So I think that a main businessman should be educated, not too much, a little bit educated, to understand the things properly. Education is necessary. And if you are running your business, and with this process you can also learn your education, you can get education, you can improve yourself during your running business. So I think that age does not matter for getting education. At any age you can get education. So don't join any kind of school. If you want to learn about anything, social media is available. You can get guidance from social media, a lot of help from social media. In this way, you will be able to understand things properly. Hope you find this video useful. In next video, I will talk about some other topics. Till then, follow me and before leaving, please do subscribe this channel so that you never miss our other videos. I am Altaf Malik and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.